Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine has gone well. Okay, it's 3:07 p.m. on Friday. Me and Walter just got in. I had thawed out a big old tray of chicken wings. I was gonna air fry some wings when we got back. I don't feel like it now. I was gonna make Korean barbecue sauce, soy sauce, chili pepper, sesame, and garlic wings. I was going to air fry them, nice and crispy, then toss them in this. I never had it before, but I'm hoping it's good. But anyway, I knew I wasn't going to cook, so we stopped at KFC. I had a good coupon, so let me show you what I got. What we got. Let me lower this. Is that on? Yes. Okay, I got a bucket of chicken. The original. We like the original. So it's 8 pieces. It looked like more than 8 pieces. I told them, please don't put any thighs in here. And they didn't. We got the 4 biscuits. Gravy. Got mashed potatoes and gravy. That's mashed potatoes and gravy. And a coleslaw. I love the coleslaw. Love it. And Walter got him an extra order of French fries. Yeah, he liked the fry. He liked anybody's fries. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me turn it back on me. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And I guess I'll get around to air frying these wings maybe Saturday. That's right, Walter's going to a funeral tomorrow. Well, I can still air fry the wings. Okay. Alright, y'all be blessed. Bye. Bon appetit. Let me hold this chicken up. Is this ghetto? I feel like Vanna White. Okay.